Okay guys, look, it's your boy DJ Nerdy and I'm back and I'm black and I'm better than ever, hot like the weather, and you already know we stay keeping it together. This weekend is drill weekend, okay? So it's drill weekend, and for this weekend it's virtual. So I don't have to physically go in the drill, which shows you I still have my beard and everything. However, I still have assignments I need to do. I have to prove that I'm doing PRT, so submitting photos and videos. And then since I'm a 25 Victor, which means I'm a photographer for the military, I have to document certain things and caption it. So my friend Henley, who's also a 25 Victor, he said let's meet up at Piedmont Park and take some photos, and we can use that for what we can submit, and then we have to caption and whatnot. So I say all that saying, I'm packing my bag, and for those of you who don't know, when I'm vlogging and I'm anywhere I'm going that I'm thinking about taking pictures or whatnot, or when I'm vlogging like I do all the time now, I take my gimbal, I take my GoPro, and I take my camera, which is I'm recording with right now, but I also have another camera that I don't use that much, but I'm gonna use this just to show you. So I use my gimbal, my GoPro, and the GoPro's not in here right now, but this is the thing I use to hold it. It can stick to glass, or sometimes I just use it to vlog. And then I use my camera. Now, this in my previous video, I showed you that when I bought the gimbal, they gave me this bag. I like the bag, it's just way too big. It's too big. I don't like how big it is. But it makes sense because the gimbal isn't that small. This is a bag that I bought on Amazon too. I like this bag. I love it. I love the size. I love the one strap. I love the color. I like how small and portable it is. However, it's way too big for my gimbal. It can fit my camera and my GoPro, but it can't fit my gimbal. Now, I was thinking though, right here, this part right here doesn't separate. So, as you can see, this is the inside part. So usually I put my camera in like this. But this part, I can't move it, so it doesn't go from this pocket straight into this pocket. This does not separate. Now, I was messing around with it, and I was like, if it did have separated, I might be able to fit my gimbal in here. So, I'm thinking about cutting it, and I'm not just thinking about cutting it, I am gonna cut it. Hopefully, I don't mess up my bag, and hopefully it fits the gimbal. It should fit the gimbal just by visibly looking at it. So, we're gonna take a chance and we're gonna cut it. And I said, let me take y'all with me while I do this, so y'all can see me mess up or y'all can see me with great success. I wanted to just been able to go like this. Okay, cool. And now we got it. Small, portable bag that can fit my gimbal and my camera. It's a tight fit, but it'll get the job done. That's all that matters. So now let's head over to Piedmont Park, meet up with them, and start taking some cool shots. And I'm gonna take you on that journey, and let's go. All right, sexy, beautiful individuals. Let me load out the volume so I don't get copyrighted. I am on my way to Piedmont Park. I got my boy Zeus in the back keeping me company. I'm meeting up with Henley and his friend. However, today is drill weekend, okay? Today is drill weekend. So I said it's virtual drill. So right now they just give us things to do and we have to do it on our own time. We can do it in our civilian clothes. And right now Henley said, look, let's go to the park. Let's take some dope photos because we have to submit at least 5 photos and we have to caption them. It's a beautiful day outside. It's not too chilly. I don't work until 10 o'clock tonight. So I said, you know what, fine. I got my gimbal with me. I just got it. Let me mess around with my gimbal. Let me talk to you all about the military experience. Let me take my dog Zeus on a walk and let me hang out with my friend Henley. I could knock all it out in one go. Sounds like a no-brainer to me. So I'm on my way there. Let me show you Zeus. Zeus, say hello to the people. Say something. He camera shy right now. But when we get outside, he don't be that quiet. Okay guys, so I'm at the park right now. I'm walking on my way to meet up with Henley with Zeus. Oh, sorry. This man really used his little bell to signal. I mean, I guess that's what it's for. Okay, but anyways, look at this. Look at this man right here. Why you got your clothes off?
Oh, they my clothes off? I have my shirt off. This is normal. People work out at the park. This is normal. You live in Atlanta. This is not uncommon.
You're not a little chilly though?
I'm not white or anything, so I guess so.
You're not chilly though?
No, I'm working out. So I'm bored.
You gonna do it?
I just fucking thing we turn it too much. Come back up real quick so you can see me do it.
I can see you. It's wide.
No, we want full body.
I can see your full body.
Naked? Yeah. You gonna see me go up? You know.
Yes, I'm gonna see it. Dang. Don't embarrass yourself. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, I can't.
Damn.
It's fucking...
Look at the build-up you just gave the people.
All right.
I mean, you did it.
It keeps turning.
You have done it better than that before, but you did it.
It keeps turning. I can't do it.
Anyways, time to get my camera out. Okay guys, so I switched over to my big camera. I'm gonna use him as a model as I take these 5 shots. It has to be action shots, so I might have him run around, jumping jacks, muscle ups, who knows. And I was thinking, if I'm taking photos with this one of him, then I don't really know how I'm gonna vlog, because ain't nobody, I can't record myself and take it at the same time, so I guess sacrifices will be made.
It's pretty crazy.
Anything you want to tell them about the 25 Victor experience?
Oh shit, I don't know.
That was your uniform.
25 Victor, you know, tattoos like that, you pay for all that easily. Join the army.
I thought that was in uniform.
Get you a free charger, pay for your school, free house, get married. It's worth it. Tatted up now. I was his son. Now I'm a little bit bigger now. A little bit bigger. Not that big. I'm a little bit bigger.
I got acre hard.
So we just did a running shot, now we're gonna do the pull-up. I guess you're doing 5 different exercises.
Make sure I get in the... So the confidence is way so make sure you get the front. Alright,
Just do muscle up.
I know the I'll do a pull-up.
I do a pull-up.
Yeah. 6 hours later.
Alright, so it's time to give you a bath. So we just came back from the park, and it's long overdue. It's time to fix you up.
Back who would have known that this was mutual.
The next day.
Yeah, like home Brandon? I mean, Henley?
He did too.
What's up? I thought y'all was drinking alcohol.
Did you want me to?
Too late now, y'all here.
Flashback.
Hey, and we back at it again. We got my boy Brandon with the pizza. Talk about it. Anything you want to say to the people? No, I know you don't. All right, guys. Today is Sunday.
I thought about making some videos.
Oh, you did?
I'll tell you about it later.
Okay. Yo.
Then I
So-
might not be here.
So today's Sunday. So every single Sunday, me and Brandon been going out to Henley House to watch Attack on Titan as it shows up on TV. So it's about that time. Open up.
Open up, you spooks.
Are they even here?
No, I told you they're not here.
Oh, why they got the TV on?
You know them. They be doing this all the time. It's a normal occurrence.
Attack on Titan, man. Going brazy, bro. Brazy. Only way to watch it is with the boys. Oh, God damn. Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. Is this what this man called a photography setup?
Yeah.
You gotta be joking with me, boy. You gotta be joking. Make it make sense. It's locked. It's locked, bro. You can see it's locked right there. They knew we was coming. That's the thing. They don't be thinking things through. They don't be thinking things through. And that's what pisses me off. Because they're not doing it ill will. They just don't comprehend. They don't get it. You can't even be mad because it's not like, it's not intentional. They just don't be thinking. They really don't. Call him.
I mean, if I call him, he's just gonna be like, we gotta wait outside. So
I mean, how far are they?
I don't know.
A few moments later.
The men have arrived.
Why you ain't unlock the door?
The farmer plan.
Why you ain't unlock the door?
Huh?
You knew we was coming. Why you ain't unlock the door?
That door's locked?
Yes.
Who locked it?
I don't be locking doors, so.
Who niggas locked that shit?
It's not. It's the screen door. That's
Why you lock the door, Giles?
Oh, y'all closed the screen door.
But y'all put a lock on it.
I didn't close it.
Goofy ass niggas, bro.
Anything you want to tell the people, Henley? The one and only, the man with the plan?
No, I'm chilling, bro.
Okay, let me take
On the road. How y'all doing, man?
We're waiting on Julius now?
No, Julius still work.
So are we rewatching the last episode?
I'm running that thing, man.
Yeah, Brandon ain't seeing.
Yeah, we don't have to go wrong. Wait.
End of flashback.
Hey! Talk about it.
Trust Resort. Tall round building.
Go back!
Alright.
If you get a gun, tell the others to search the area. Make sure he's the only one that got out. Watch out for infected.
Is Jahar coming?
I find out anyone helped him. They're going in the fucking pool. Waste.
Let me get Brandon. Brandon. Everybody here, Brandon? No problem.
They information or something. They just
Oh,
said
shit.
something.
Oh, yeah, I'm logged in. I forgot. I'm still technically doing drill weekend. This is Sunday, so this is the last day of logging. What's the problem? You have to get used to being on camera.
I don't, because I don't want to.
So, this is still technically drill weekend, so we're technically in formation. We're in formation right now, virtually, but my camera's off on my phone. He's in formation too, so. Time to watch Attack on Titan. Let's go!
I don't know how much longer it's gonna go, but y'all just stand by here for now, okay?
So they have us on standby for the meeting. Are you logged into the meeting? Huh? You in the meeting?
So stupid.
It is. They talking about me on standby.
For what?
It is what it is. He over there playing Last of Us 2.
Wait a second.
Got the peaches on lock. Life is good. Life is good.
No, we got it. It was good. I pressed the wrong blink blunt.
Which website you using?
We can't expose our bootleg site like that. I'm trying to get us exposed out here. And I closed it down. My bad.
Mackie.
Switching the mouse up mine.
Oh, sorry. Look at it. I'm new.
Yeah. I'm just playing.
Technical difficulties.
20 minutes later.
That's all right. Part of the bootleg, you know. It's all part of the experience.
The experience is to not be annoyed by porn at every 5 minutes.
I don't get point at it. I get the more random
Point at it.
Do you need help? Da, 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 da. Episode 5. I was about to say, is it even on there? Ad. What the
It's
heck?
not porn ad though, so.
So it's because it's porn ad?
Yes.
It's working. Yes. Okay. Turn it up.
We're going down.